Hi, my name is Lisa Howard and I am the Director of Publications for Interdisciplinary Press. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate your Dropbox folder and also how to save a document inside of a certain folder in your Dropbox. So the first thing that you will want to do is navigate to the Dropbox folder. And you can do this by double clicking the icon down in the bottom right screen. It looks like a open blue box with a green check mark on it. Double click on that and this type of Explorer window will open up for you. The title of the folder that we share will be the title of your conference, and it'll either be ebook or hard copy depending on what you are editing. Inside of that Dropbox main folder, you will see some subfolders: draft to author, final edited version, formatted for editor, permissions, and templates. You will also have a copy of the attendance sheet for the conference that includes only the authors that have submitted chapters and their email addresses, so that you can easily find those. They'll be right there at the ready for you. Okay, so let's say, for the sake of this tutorial, that you have been working on James Bainbridge's chapter and it is ready to go back to him to take a look at, whether it is to make revisions or to simply say, yes, this is great, I'm giving you the authorization to publish it just as it is. So with the chapter open, in order to save it into the drafts to author folder, you're going to click on the File tab or wherever your software takes you to perform a Save As function. Choose Save As, and as you can see, we're going to navigate over to that Dropbox folder. I actually have mine installed under a Favorites right here. The folder we share. Or you may also navigate by selecting Desktop, your username, and then getting to the Dropbox in this manner. Double click on it and we're back to the folder that we share. Simply double click on the Drafts to Author folder, and then you can give it any title you would like. You may find that it's much easier to simply use the author's last name, and if it's a first round draft, you can always put a 1, if it's second, a 2, whichever you prefer, any title that you wish. It's easier to use the author's name so that you can easily know who that chapter belongs to without having to open the chapter up. And then simply click your Save button. And here we are back at this folder again, and you can see that as I open the Drafts to Author folder, there's the chapter that you just saved. Now when you're typing your email out to the author, whether it be for them to make revisions or to simply let you know that it's ready to publish the way that it appears in your email to them, then you can navigate back to the same place, the Drafts to Author folder, and simply choose that chapter as the attachment to your email and send it off. It is up to you what you want to do with your Dropbox folder. You can add a new folder inside of it if you wish. Let's say it's returned from author. That is completely up to you if you'd like to use another folder. A very, very important thing to remember, though, is if you were to take this main folder that we share and set it inside another folder, we will no longer share that folder, which means that your co-editor, if you have one, cannot see what you've done. They will not have access to the same files that you do any longer, and we at Interdisciplinary Press also will not have any access to that file. So it is very important that wherever this is installed, it stays exactly in that location instead of picking it up and moving it inside another main folder. And that concludes this video tutorial on how to navigate the Dropbox and how to save a document into the proper folder. In the next video tutorial, we're going to take a closer look at what the editor will be doing as far as each chapter is concerned. Thank you very much.